I'm checking out these woodworking rulers that were sent to me by the manufacturer, and I'm going to compare them with some of my other woodworking tools that I have and see how they stack up. I've already got a set of similar woodworking rulers. These happen to be orange. So you have one that is a little over 1 foot long, a little over 12 inches. You have one that's a little over, that's a 9-incher. And then you have one that's 7 inches as well. This is cool. This is something that I don't have on my other one, and this is a 45 or a 30. See how that works. I haven't used that yet. All right, woo! The first cool thing about these woodworking rulers is you can use them. They have a little notch on them for a pencil to scribe your wood or line up cuts, but also get a perfect line. So what you're going to do is you're going to take this and say that you want a 1.5 inch mark. You put this piece on the 1.5 inch mark, then you can set it on the edge of your piece of wood, and then you put your pencil lead right in that groove, and then you just slide it along the edge, and now you have a line that's a perfect 1.5 inches down that piece of wood for whatever you're referencing, whether it's a cut or where to place something. That is a great feature of these. They come in several different lengths. You can also use them as kind of like setup guides because they do have a ruler on the end. This side's millimeters, this side's inches. They are 1 inch thick, and which is 25 millimeters. Works pretty well with that. This is interesting because I haven't used this before. So if I use this and lock it in, I now have a 45. Or if I go from this side, I have a 30-degree angle. So if I use this side, it's a 45, and this side's a 30-degree angle to mark. That's pretty cool. They are laser etched. Let me see how they stack up. One of the most important things in woodworking is accuracy. And that's why one of the rules of thumb is when you start a project with a tape measure, you make sure you use that same tape measure for the whole project, because sometimes they don't line up correctly. But let's see, if I set this here and then I set this down beside it, I'm going to line up, there we go, 1 inch and 1 inch, and see where everything hits. That one dead on matches my tape measure, which lets me know if I'm working on a project, I can go ahead and use this and the measurements are going to be the same. It's something you want to check anytime you buy a new piece of woodworking tools. 13-inch one lines up perfectly, and this one at 7 inches also lines up perfectly, and it is exactly 1 inch thick. So these are wonderful, handy to have. Like I said, I have another set of them. I mean, they're identical. My other set's red, and they're up here. See, I got them. So another set, red, identical. Both of them say woodworking ruler. About the only difference is the color and the font. The measurements match up. So I would say these are good to go, because while I haven't really extensively worked with those, I have extensively worked with these, and they are identical. I'm lining them up. The markings are exactly where they're supposed to be. I mean, with laser etching, it's kind of hard for them to get messed up now. So yeah, I would say these are good to go. Laser etched, aluminum, woodworking rulers.